Lesson 10. At the doctor's office. Hello, doctor.
Hi. Please have a seat. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. What's the problem today?
I don't feel well. I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay, let me check your temperature. You have a small fever. I think you have a cold.
Oh no. What should I do?
Don't worry. Take some medicine, drink water, and rest.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thanks. Do I need to take any tests?
No, not now. Just rest and see how you feel tomorrow.
How many times should I take the medicine?
Take it 2 times a day. Once in the morning, and once at night.
Should I eat before the medicine?
Yes, take it after you eat.
Can I go to school tomorrow?
No, stay home and rest.
I feel tired.
That's normal. Just sleep and drink water.
Can I go outside?
No, stay inside and keep warm.
Can I drink tea?
Yes, warm tea is good for your throat.
My mom will help me at home.
That's great. Rest and you'll feel better soon.
I hope I get well soon.
You will. Just take care of yourself.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.